Sunday morning, me and I'm the best chance. Did kind the CONCACAF Nations League na USA, Canada,
yes.
Panama and Mexico a ball game.
Yes.
My Panama furniture go be a team celebration na pa na area VR Debbie. But you could see every member of the team, actually except goalkeeper, had come to join. And the goal itself was a very well taken goal. Because a bicycle kick and on Boshe go near Kamapa, a well rehearsed set piece goal. A core goal.
Yeah, a nice goal, pa.
A very well rehearsed set piece goal. Very well rehearsed.
Wow.
Third place match from our Bosch and the Kama control. And then the overhead kick. It's very, very nice. But Nana, Area CVR said that. Yeah, cause Shego come and say I celebrate the place.
Adibako Oba no visual man no. It means Shego Juenia Ezupia Kwaba Mrani Akajo Bono Crash.
That's incredible. VR.
I'm uncle for your bregu.
And then the amount of emotions that Victor Osimhen invested whilst he was on the touchline for the Super Green Eagles of Nigeria. It was Hana Sajindos Stadium no. Nyam yenim no kwani. Kwaku so hwe yenti kakra. Na hwe ni din. O hwe ni din na hwe ne ma na oye. Or bench hall na ni abre no. We just moments before Kelechi Ihena cho Sheni go no. But you could see on the bench and you know Kwakraba, he was actually the leader. Nenia brain koba pim. I mean, release the video, please. You could see Osimhen actively going up and down. No koba namun share namun yesi. Eventually, with literally the last kick of the game, on the share 2 goals.
Yes.
And they better call 2-2. And then Kelechi Iheanacho ended up making it what it is. MIBBI team conquering, but but you watch the investment they are making on the bench. Look, clearly Nigeria were heavily invested in the game. Or some bench because boy about 2-2 there. At least in Kaobetinasa can cry in disappointment. But you see,
when you are leading, as Sam said, I mean, he scored 2 goals, so really 2-0, and then it's 2-2. That's why he's so upset because who led by 2 goals to 0, which he scored both goals. Now defenders, no, Ama, they are expecting. Can't mutikra. No share Mustafa Bundu go no share any Zagbo. Goals that were avoidable. And then I tense because they needed to win the game at all costs
to qualify.
Finally, Kelechi.
Almost on by because then I know one I do go. Almost on by because I bet you have.
They can never win that. They can never win that. They have a terrible defense. And now say Adebayo Adele, that's a third keeper.
Yes.
Maduka Okwe Uzo from Danlakwe. They are confused. They don't have a goalkeeper.
Apostle they have Nigeria and
they can never win.
Hey, Apostle.
Oh, Mr. Opa Market. Forget about Nigeria.
Bro, for your go. Whatever.
Masa, Mamud Pame, how be I gonna pay?
A black stars are said now.
Nipania brain who
Apostle.
Babel found Webber company Abehani Padri and
Madagascar. Now what
baby, I do more do na yeah.
Prof for their quid.
Find Chini, I went to Mamma Babe and Padri.
You're quid, Prof, Miana Mekai, wife, absolutely, Miana Mekai, yellow credit, Prof, Mr. Patrol, the quid, why, Miss Low? As a Bakwa Mekai, and they won't send in take child,
Papa. Tiboku Twane, dear now, and Mintase. None of me here born be. Omuni Austria. Now work rate pa na Austria from the Bobono. I mean, you could see Ranick and Sanwejuma when it comes to pressing opponents. Even the bad boy of the team, Arnautovic, was pressing. Alaba was centre back, and Verba, the all leads, no?
Yeah.
And then Kevin Vima, another solid, and then Baumgartner. But I guess what you are Aboni Kinibi no de Bobon. So, but Yabobo Nevi, Yebebo no Domenico Tedesco ye coach for Edema Belgium. Oya akra o. Tedesco sapa. Ukutu ani Lukaku nyina wa frem ene makasa. Mukasa wie no eno de atomo nim se look. Born amoni Austria born Kevin De Bruyne ni ho. Nti Lukaku na be captain. Na wa kutu anu so mo ni Estonia bo a wo na be captain. Mako bobo no kama. Ye bobo ni wie ya kutu anu kra no ye bobo no. Ne girlfriend no Michelle Gerges Israeli no.
Yes.
Ebe man award ene kra no ne 100 game na wabo no. Ya ball kama. Sa game we aso na ana Eden Hazard. Na ye bobo ni wie ya. Unua muni ya sa dressing room on akodi deep players na terms on modern with the name fumba. Amanya de. Then he does not show up at all for the build up to the Estonia game. The Uncobe captain no. Uzun himself Corn Castells we pra into Marcel's pen no. You see no injury be boy. Enjoy any. Sa captain no was no muni or jukum. We yeah the bob. Opalite say mumu nya de na moje. One you know. They are rebuilding a new team. And you need people like this to show leadership. No your dressing room also more the money from the metia. Say because Lukaku go na bakwaku sabo no ahwe bibia no. Yes start ball no. Lukaku on the right. Jeremy Doku on the left. Kwanya no mo di Austria for ne namso no. Nanso we go mo consider here. Em say na ball no cry ball ma akoto keeper nsem o and e deflect here na kwhye. But calm down. What destroy everything? What say bibia? Was say bibia.
Number 1 Kutwa.
No anya de was say bibia. Asem ye no kan boko. Na okopi mo Netherlands memoir Quincy Proms. Ya jailing for 18 months. Okoye den ye jailing no. Emre bi 2020 no obo ma Ajax no. Na busua ye party no okobi. E na otwen bibi de war ne cousin ekotodwe.
Na akofa.
Omo ye party no apkude. Na nchumasho bi ba omuntem efa kawa a editu ekom necklace bi hu na ekofa nsem nyina bai. Na utieti de kokoso na ono ankasa wansi hoda ye di asem no. Nti judge na ebu anode to just say they are disappointed in him. Say one show remorse. And I say one free Russia wha ma Hollanda so oba court na di nasem. Na yebu asem na na che say odi for de na nso so odi wani famu a nipa manslaughter any murder amem. But then for stabbing and into a man 18 months. Na judge ni say nko ba court kura na nko mbeti mate punishment so. Nso wabo ye mfi tanduku. And on your address said the can be obeyed no or see in Tubia. Now, say, Nimkra, so Obeba, other service sentence with Holland, because offer international diplomacy and politics. Russia and Holland, the FN extradition treaty, no, Omunibi. So we could debone or Russia, near no Holland, not Holland, nke bit match and the Nakon. It be near. Sounds no, we could debone or Holland, not Russia. Untimin Chenem Fanema Holland, Emi Dinasem.
Wow.
They don't have that non-extradition treaty. Omuni. Nti aye nsem bebre. Na sa nipa ya ye kana sem ya odam sesi ya jeli ni make us ya jeli ni. Onu kuro ya na ese hwem so akofa 1360 kilograms shipment of cocaine aba Belgium and Holland. Nti sa nipa ba ko ipa ye be ye ne den.
Uni ahun nsem bebre.
Dodo. Doso dodo. Quincy Proms. So Sasuba na beboa.
Oh, last year Obagana. On
Memphis na ba yeah. Quincy Proms here we for ni Suriname for. Of course. David.
Eyes on me.
Baby a non-extradition treaty ni maybe on betch no.
Did I say Russia or la?
Na say ground so oba board Dutch national team no common friend no so me board Dutch national team no.
Every your love play that's our friend no.
And I make us common friend say
o da uli ajabo. Uli aje baby adu dey mo family team.
But it's worrying. Kwaku ya say na hwe na Luka Modric ani hu hantwe ball penalties ni ono na me hwe
no twato ma me.
Hwe ni na say ni su ya Luka Modric and Croatia team we could literally go down as Belgium. Perini and achievers. So close by here so far. Hey, yeah. Van Dijk should change his body system. Everyone.
Sa.
Yeah. Kweku. The last thing I'll be any so be Joe body watching. The oil unyai. A big good in him, say.
Van Dijk.
Yeah.
So what they?
You see, Van Dijk started as a centre back, no? Almost a Van Dijk through tackle. That was his fault. You know about so. Or tackle so 90 out of 100 Obenya. But Sago na Kieza Eshe is Van Dijk of recent times. Or the Nihuhu and the way in the bone. Nihuhu ni yedi akweku. First in the recovery pace. And a second the tackle. What kind of Nations League we on Mbappe called 2-2 Okocheno?
Nah, me kaipa.
That's Van Dijk in his prime. Sahana Champions League final no. Son they take league Okocheno. But after the ACL, the pace will go down.
I want to know.
Any hot until you'd have to go and engage.
It is a sort of tenor. Now the Naquada, but
that thing served him. No, you open one pill. O body in your
also
bra. Because the body
the BCC.
No, he's a very good tackler. Van Dijk, 1v1.
Yeah,
he's a very good tackler.
About Timisha, I won't mention. Oh, yes, all short over broke.
He's a very good, one of the very best I've seen in recent times. But look, so when you pra, especially with an ACL,
I'm not in you.
To me, almost saying that Thiago Silva adjusting in the play, no?
Yes.
I've posted the ACL, no? That is the template you should follow. Because Oka say Uja Massa attack our quick. Let me say, "Oh, me call her untimimba." Me go any man say angasa. And many root cruel juma. Many ne ya dream pa. Likewise, Van der Vaart. He needs to change his body mechanism. Nena utimi ye maybe a tremor. Nena utimi ye. You can't cheat nature. They should engage and dwell more.
Yo, Mate, you remember I na wabe Ghana Madagascar na man.